Hi and welcome again. We just welcome in my third part of this lighting design for the office. Right, this is some example which you can use, and it is good for teaching yourself how to do proper design. Right, what we're going here, we can see our luminaire from top view. Right, we can see some grids, so that is moving based on some grid snap. We can set that grid snap in here. Look, when you're going, at the moment it's set for a half. Look, for a half. We can set for the half meter, which is for the 0.6, which is like the size of the tiles, right? Let's check that. Right, that is moving with this 0.6, right? Okay. What are we gonna do? Basically, first of all, what we're gonna do, we wanted to know how many luminaires we need to have or to achieve required results by the standards. Yeah. So to do that, Relux is helping us to do that with this button called DIALux. Right, let's click that one. DIALux. Alright, this is, as you can see, it is automatically calculating the and showing layout with luminaires on the top of this room. Right. Okay, we've got what we have in here. We have lighting distribution curve, right, showing all of data of our luminaire, right, description, all of this, size of this luminaire, maintenance factor, right. Maintenance factor is very important to distinguish, to choose proper maintenance factor. Maintenance factor depends on the interval of cleaning of rooms or walls or luminaires, of replacement of luminaires, bulbs, or all of that stuff. I have created some maintenance factor calculator in addition in Java, some additional program. It is available it can be downloaded from my website, but anyway, at the moment all you need to know, maintenance factor is set for 0.8. 0.8 is very clean area, which is very good, you know, typical for offices. Right. We can change that automatically. This is based on BSEN 12464. We can change that as well in here. For example, if we click that from very clean room to low air, it is automatically replace that. For example, clean room, 3-year maintenance cycle, exterior installation, 3-year, or for example, interior exterior installation, high pollution with high pollution look. If we click that, our maintenance factor drops down to 0.5. And that automatically requires much more luminaires of initial light to fulfill the requirements. But in offices, usually when we design, we can imagine that new office is brand new. We can see new 0.8 clean, tidy environment. So we come back to 0.8, or we can choose that very clean room as well in here. Otherwise, if you want to play with these standards, yeah, you can see when you click on this, the following standardized data are used to establish the maintenance factor. CIE document maintenance of indoor electric lighting systems. Blah blah blah. We press OK, and we can see all of these factors. You can change that sometimes. Look, everything depends on the luminaire type, reflections. 70 by 50 20 luminaire characteristic, direct or indirect, luminaire time maintenance interval, all of these factors. Lamp type is LED. As we know, LED is one of the best, most efficient lighting source today. So even the life of LEDs is reaching almost 50,000 hours. So it's probably one of the best source of light in this technology, today's technology. But anyway, we close that. If you want to get deeply in this stuff, you can read something more or just play with this. Value maintenance factor have not been set for all luminous types. The calculation cannot be performed. Would you still like to exit from the DIALux? Yes, we gonna have. Right. Okay. No, maintenance factor, no. No. We're just gonna do this one. We're gonna come back to this one. Right. Okay. We're having this. We're having mounting type. Right. Why it is free mounting? Free mounting, ceiling mounting, suspension mounting, floor mounting. I think free mounting, ceiling mounting. Okay. Mounting height 2.8. Right, it's typical what we put in before. Photometric center. Right. Illuminance. This is based on standard 500 lux. Okay. But what can we see? Okay. We're gonna achieve 500 luxes, yeah? And the result is showing we have to use 9 luminaires, but calculation results are showing by using these 9 luminaires, we achieving 588 luxes. It's a little bit more than we achieve. Sometimes we can play with these luminaires. We can just remove one row on one column or one row of these luminaires and achieve lower average luminance. That could be the office. Sometimes in the offices it is acceptable to get, for example, if some clients or nobody gives us information about what's the purpose of this room or how we're gonna use this, we can just say, oh, we want even 400 luxes or something like that, because general 450. But usually it is typical for writing, typing, we should achieve at least 500 luxes. Alright, so this is what we have now. We can play with these as well, these buttons. We can look, number of lumens, we can set, for example, number of rows from our point of view, like 3 by 2. Let's have a look what happens. Right, 3 by 2. Oh, we achieved 400 luxes. Okay, it will be alright for general purpose if we don't know what will be the purpose of the office. Yeah. But let's come back 3 by 3 and close that. Close that down. Okay, these are the results. Oh, we'll talk about these results in another part of our tutorial. Please have a look on another tutorial, part 4, and see you in a bit. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.